Hey guys, this is Blaine here with Bar Tip Tuesday. I'm here to chat about Hi-Temp bumpers. Hi-Temp is a great company out of Alabama who primarily works with Rogue to distribute bumper plates affordably within the CrossFit community. But one thing you want to note about these, if a barbell is loaded with say 15s or 10s, that bar can be a little bit unpredictable when it comes back to the ground from overhead or the shoulder. So I always preach with my athletes to please control the bar to your hip, and just be cognizant of everyone around you. So spread out, don't hit yourself, hit one of your fellow classmates, or say a rig, a plyo box, or like this, a wall. This is an example of a casualty we had. So nobody in this case was injured, so that's great. We'll patch the wall up, no big deal, but definitely avoidable. So bring it up with your classes. You'll thank yourself later. See ya.